tracking an area of showers and thunderstorm activity across the southern South Plains right now, pushing into the Permian Basin, but still dropping some locally heavy rainfall at that. But we're not looking at severe weather as that complex continues to push off to the south, into the south and the east. Now, the next focal point for weather this evening will be due to a cold front currently pushing into the northern South Plains right now. You can kind of see it just to the south and east of Tulia. That's kind of the leading edge of that front. It will continue its southward progression and continue to spark up some more showers and thunderstorms during the overnight in evening hours. Now, a live look at La Mesa right now. Just saw that batch of heavy rain kind of move through the area through Dawson County this evening. Now, it's starting to quiet down just a little bit here in the city at the Medical Arts Hospital. They're still seeing the wet pavement, some raindrops there on the sky cam as well. Well, front number one is here across the South Plains, currently in the northern South Plains. Will continue to sweep through during the overnight hours. Could see again some more spark up of showers and thunderstorm activity during the overnight hours. A better chance of rain comes into the forecast once again Friday evening and Friday night as a much stronger cold front moves through the entire South Plains once again. Those temps will be on the decrease heading into this weekend. And what about a cool Saturday on tap just in time for football? It'll feel much more like football weather by this weekend rolls around. But before we get to that, let's take a live look or your Futurecast starting us off during this evening. Still looking in that front, continuing to push on to the south this evening. Still seeing some showers, thunderstorms fire up right along and ahead of it through Wednesday early morning. This model pushes everything off to the south and to the southeast, and I think that is a good indication there. I don't think we'll see too much as this front pushes through, but don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder, maybe some pitter patter on top of your roof during the overnight hours. It'll be very hit or miss at best. Now, your longer range forecast models still are very optimistic heading into this weekend, where as that stronger front continues to push into the region by Friday and Saturday. Looking at those projected rainfall totals, just under half an inch here in Lubbock, widespread quarter to half an inch across the South Plains, generally expected with that stronger front this weekend. And then by Sunday, we're topping out just over half an inch here in Lubbock. So again, some better chances of rain just in time for the weekend, but I don't think the football game Saturday will be a washout. But Friday night, maybe a little bit different story for area folks across the South Plains. Now for tonight, we'll see a low temperature right around 67 degrees here in Lubbock. 30% chance of rain during the early evening hours into the pre-dawn hours tomorrow morning. That will taper off to about 20% as you wake up tomorrow morning. High temperature tomorrow, once again, much cooler than what we saw today. High temperature only expected to be about 85 degrees. 20% chance of rain during the early morning hours. Those northeast winds will continue to bring in some cooler temperatures, cooler air during your Wednesday. So those high temperatures, again, Wednesday and Thursday will only stay in those 80s. And then look at Saturday, just in time for football. 77 degrees expected for your high on Saturday afternoon, just in time for kickoff. Chance of rain there, don't be too worried about it. I think it'll be very early in the morning, clearing out just in time for game. But high school football Friday night, a little bit different of a story. Is that front, that stronger push of cooler air comes in Friday.